Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the October Sew Sampler box. So if you're new to Sew Sampler boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They're released by Fat Quarter Shop every month. They come with sewing notions, patterns, fabric, all kinds of goodies, and our block of the month. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside the October box. I will put a link on where you can get the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler box below this video. The theme for this month is All You Need Is Love, and on the back is a 15% off gifts and accessories coupon for Fat Quarter Shop. So make sure to hang on to that and check the back. This one expires December 20th. So we're gonna dive right in with our sew along block. This is the Pressed Flowers Quilt Along. This is block number 7. It says the Pressed Flower Quilt Along is in full bloom. This garden themed quilt by Fat Quarter Shop features Sugarberry by Bunny Hill Designs for Moda Fabrics, and it will bring some fresh cut flair that you can keep forever. You can find all of the previous block patterns at Fat Quarter Shop, and then they will release a finishing pattern once you get all 12 blocks. These I'm actually storing up. I pile them all together, and at the end of getting all these boxes, I will give them away to one of you. So stay tuned for that giveaway once we get to our 12th box. The next thing in our box is this tiny little ruler. This value is at $7.48, and it's the Seam Width Gauge Ruler by Dritz. I have not seen one of these before, so I'm actually really excited to check this out. It even has a little hole in it, so I might even be able to hang on my little ruler hanger over there. We'll see. It says this handy little notion will be a steadfast companion to your sewing machine. I need glasses. Okay, try again. It says this handy little notion will be a steadfast companion to your sewing machine. Use it to quickly adjust seam widths by finding the side with the seam width you need. Align the edge along your fabric edge and move the needle position to the needle hole. It will be love at first stitch. Interesting. So I don't know if you can see that on video, but there is a tiny little hole just right here at the end of each marking on there. And so there is the 1/4 inch, 3/8, half, and 5/8 of an inch. So I think this is actually going to be a handy little tool. I'm looking forward to having this in my stash. Did I say what it retails for? Yeah, $7.48. Our next item is this cute little charm. I like to use these for zipper pulls on my bags. You can also use these as row counters for your knitting, although this one might be kind of heavy. And you can just put it, anywhere you want to decorate. This one is the exclusive light-hearted enamel charm. It retails for $8.74. And it says this little charm is sure to brighten your day. The rainbow and heart design is created by Camille Ross Kelly exclusively for Fat Quarter Shop. And you can add it to any zipper or keychain for a dose of love anywhere you need it. So that one's really cute. I have a little collection of these going. Sometimes I use them for stitch markers. Sometimes I use them for bag pulls. It kind of depends. I just have a little bowl over there, and I always just love adding new ones in. And then I change them out with my projects, so they either match my bag or they might match the project I'm working on. So we have 2 patterns in this month's box, which is kind of fun. So this one is the Quilt As You Go Love Charm Tote Kit. It retails for $9.98, and it says the Love Charm Tote will make a sweet style statement everywhere you go. This easy project is an ode to our favorite hobby, and you can use the included charm packs to create it, though it would also look beautiful no matter which fabric you used. And so it is the kind that comes with the printed on stabilizer, so you just sew right onto the lines on here, and it actually does have a pattern included that shows you how to do it all in case you're new to this style of quilting. So that's really fun, and it's just such a cute tote. Even if you didn't use the charm pack included in this box, this would be a great scrap buster. Our quilt pattern for this month, so 2 patterns, like I mentioned, is called the Heart and Soul Quilt Pattern. This value is at $9.98. It is by Lisa Alexander for Moda. This is such a cute quilt. It finishes at 50 by 50, so a cute little wall hanging, and oh my word, that is absolutely adorable. I love the colors. It says, we fell in love with this quilt, Heart and Soul, designed by Lisa Alexander. We are enamored with how impactful this sweet heart design is. Pair this charm-friendly design with the lighthearted charm packs in this month's box for a hearty combination. It also says they have limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop. So I don't know if they're still available at the time of this video, but you could definitely check that out. You do need some, let's see, all you really need besides your charm packs are the 5/8 yard of binding. So, and backing of course, but look at how cute that is. And then like I have been mentioning, there are three, which is awesome. 3 charm packs is enough for a fun quilt, you guys. Like this, and if you wanted it to be bigger, like this little heart quilt, you know, is only 50 by 50. Just add with like a solid, like, you know, do some 5-inch like white or even a dark color to make the colors pop, and you've got an even larger quilt project, or add some borders. So lots of fun. So this fabric is really, really pretty. This is the Lighthearted fabric by Camille Ross Kelly for Moda Fabrics. These three together value at $35.94, and it says, "Sweet sentiments radiate from the Lighthearted collection by Camille Ross Kelly for Moda Fabrics. Fanciful florals, hearts, bows, and stripes are filled with frothy colors." Hold on. Frothy colors. Fanciful florals, hearts, bows, and stripes are filled with frothy colors of pink, blue, green, and red. You will fall head over heels for this fabric, and with 3 charm packs to enjoy, there's plenty to cherish. And I also love that you get 3 of them because, like I said, 3 charm packs, you can do a lot with 3 charm packs. The boxes are $29.95 a month. I did add it up for you. The retail value for this month's box is $77.10. So that is a great value for this month's Sew Sampler. All right, my favorite, I actually love all the things. Okay, I love all the things. So I'm holding up everything pretty much because everything in this month's box is my favorite. I love it all. I'm really pleased with all the products inside here. Leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite product was from this month's unboxing. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these videos, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps me out. And you can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. What month are we on? All you need is love. I'm gonna say October. Is that it? That's it. I'm gonna try and hold them up because it's hard. Oh my word. Can she do it? Here we go. Alrighty. And then we've also got this one. Love is all you need.